Just complete gas.
Rachel.
Oh, my phone shut off. Hang on, I gotta turn it back on.
Rachel smells your hand, Christian.
What kind of fish is that? It's not wet anymore. It ran through the flame.
Do it again.
Gotta get that shit wet. I got an idea.
I have video on.
Oil.
What?
Christian ass. Dude, you didn't pick that up? What she said?
Oh yeah, before, yeah.
Oh my god, look at him with the gas jug.
No?
Gotta,
That's
gasolina.
gonna like that.
Christian's used like a gallon of gasoline. You might want to move the gas can back.
Look at this, watch
You're
it.
gonna back up and trip over it and
God, you
slide
gotta
out.
put it out though. Don't like hit me with it. I'll seriously punch you in the face.
Ooh.
So sweet.
You're like a magician. Did it hurt?
Andy, that's a
If
point
you
out.
have,
Andy.
if you have hair on it though, it'll burn it off.
Andy. Right next to you.
You don't have any more gas on the thing though.
You guys should see
It
my
all went
brother
out,
fire dance.
You gotta do it again, yeah.